moved our fear in stone and called it God.
Beneath our hands, silent in the night. The fire lived inside its veins, waiting for the light.
Hear it breathe, feel it break, ancient bones away.
Where stone remembers,
The earth will shake.
we cool the darkness.
Now watch it wake.
When stone remembers,
Fire straight from the throne we build, because the
hear it, feel it, hear it, hear it.
kneel in dust and burning sky, raise your trembling hands. You beg the night for power, now judgment stands.
No more silence.